In this lesson, we will talk about single row subquery. Single row subquery works with simple operators such as higher, lower, equal, and can return only one row and one column for the main query. For example, present product that their category is the same as category of product tofu. What it means, we have the products, we want the category, the product name and unit price. Now we want all the category ID to be the same as the category ID of the product tofu. So what we do in the where, instead of writing category ID equals 7, because we don't know what category the product tofu is, so we write a subquery that brings us the category of the product tofu. And in the result we see that we have all the product names from the category of tofu, that is 7. And we get their unit price. So instead of writing the value, we can write a subquery that brings us the value that we need. In this case, we want the value of the category of the product tofu. Let's write in the SQL server. So here we have the category ID, product name, and unit price from product table. So we write select asterisk from the product table. We see that we have product ID, the product name, and the unit price. But we want only the products that their category is the same as the product of tofu. Here's tofu. It's 7. So we can write where the category ID equals 7. And what we get is the data for category 7. But in case we don't know what is the category of the product tofu, and maybe want to change it, this time the product name is tofu, next time is something else. We just know the product name, we don't know the category of the product. What we need to do is, first of all, write what we want. We want the category ID, and we want the product name, and we want the unit price. But the category, we need to find it. So let's see what is the category of the product tofu. So from products, that the product name is tofu. Now we see that the category is 7. What we need from here, it's not the name of the product or something else. We just need the category. So we can write the category ID. And if we run this, we get the 7. Now, instead of write here 7, because we don't know the category, we know only the product name, we can write a subquery and insert the query. Select from where and close it. What we get in the subquery is the category 7, and if we run it for the entire query, so we have the category ID that is 7 and all the product names that are in category ID 7 and their unit price.